Ito pala yung shoes ni John. Ipapakita ko sa inyo. Ito. Yan. Maganda siya. Bagay na bagay kay Mr. At yung quality niya maganda kasi sa loob, meron siyang parang ganito ba? Parang wool bang tawag nito? So, it's warm for the winter. At it's a good price. That's why I like going to that shop kasi meron silang mga magagandang clothing at yung quality magaganda din and yung price abot kaya din. Magkano nga ito ulit? Walang presyo dito. Ito yung resibo. Yung nabayaran ko is 84 pounds and 99 pence. So, 85 pounds. There you go, sir.
Oh, is that my boots?
Your shoes.
Thank you, darling.
No problem. It's so dark in here, Han.
Hello.
Lalabas tayo. Okay, I will start my car. Lalabas tayo mga palangga. Ako kunin ko yung mga sapatos at yung mga bits and bobs ko sa sasakyan kasi ipapa-MOT ni John yung sasakyan ko. At yung MOT schedule ng sasakyan ko 2 o'clock. Yung time ngayon is 20 past 1. Umuulan! Kasi ito, kailangan ko tong kunin. Ito, may rosary ako dito. Yan. Kailangan ko itong kunin. So, that's the first lot. Marami pa tayong kukunin sa sasakyan. Ay, nandoon sa other side. Kasi meron akong cardigan dito just in case. At ito, meron akong organizer dito. Binili ko to sa one of the charity shop. Hindi ko siya na dala sa loob ng bahay. Mga 2 weeks na to dito ba. Yan. Organizer. At ito, see, another 2 pair of shoes and another car mount. So ito lahat yung nakuha ko. 3 pairs of shoes. Ito lang talaga yung ginagamit ko sa trabaho. Ito parang extra lang. I used to wear this for driving, pero hindi ko na ito ginagamit. Ito rin, I used to wear this when I'm driving, pero hindi ko na rin ito ginagamit. So, and ito, 2 car mount na hindi ko ginagamit. Ilalagay ko dito. Hindi man magkasya. Never mind. Dadalhin ko na lang doon sa office ko / bodega. I opened the window just in case It smells of perfume
Did you
there.
start it?
Yeah, I did start
I found
it.
them boots on Amazon. And
Amazon.
they got 3.5,
3.5.
which is 36.
Oh.
It's on my screen. So
Right, okay. I will have a look. Please. Thank you.
7.9.
May nakita akong boots doon sa Edge of the World. Nagustuhan ko siya, but they don't have my size. But they said, if you're gonna go to their website, which we cannot find the proper website. So, I've tried to look if they have the shoes. We cannot find the proper website. And John ended up finding the shoes on Amazon. So, yeah, I will look. How much?
79.
79, the same money din. So, anyway, ito nga pala yung organizer. Rotating organizer. Ilalagay ko to sa office ko. Instead, yung, di ba meron naman akong lalagyan ng mga pencils, mga kung ano-ano doon. Yung nilagyan ko is yung big cup. Big mug ba? Say, okay siya. It's good, di ba? Honey, look. I have a rotating organizers now. I can replace now my big mug. I bought this in the charity shop in where I work. You know, the book people, something. Is that book people? I don't know. I can't remember. But it's only £3. This is?
Is it damaged?
Yeah, it's damaged. It's not like... It's brand new, but it's like an old stock. So there's a slight damage. So that's why... Give it to our babies. I did not eat half of the... my pudding. Hindi ko talaga siya nagustuhan. There you go. They will be very happy. That's it. Well done. Right, thank you anyway for taking my car for MOT.
Okay.
Okay, you going now?
It's 1/2 past, that's an hour, but
Yeah, you need to go.
2 o'clock is my appointment.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
You can keep the home fires burning now. You keep it warm.
I will.
Take it to there, and that's it.
Thank you.
Keys are in, aren't they?
Yeah, okay, bye. I love you, sweet.
So can you
I will listen to the deliveries.
postman?
Yeah.
You might push through letterbox, but it'd be heavy. It's best for me Polaris, you see, handbrake.
Okay. He's going. Bye, I love you. Nandun na si Mr. So, ito yung nilalagyan ko sa mga pens ko. At tingnan nyo, nandito pa rin to. It's still a mystery. Ito mga highlighter, palagi ko talaga silang ginagamit. Mostly na if nagbabasa ako, kailangan ko yan. How many pen I need? I got how many? 5. Marker, kailangan din to. Glue. Tip-X. Protector. At At of course, meron din akong sharpener, eraser. Saan ko ba sila ilalagay? Dito ko na lang ilalagay. Meron akong pegs. Meron akong dito rin, meron akong ano to? 5 pens. Dalawang 5 pens. Yan, lalagay ko lang dyan. Pampaswerte. Char, pampaswerte. So, yun na. There you go. So, it's easy. Titingnan natin yung... Oh, no. It's nearly out. Well, it's not nearly out. First one has been John. Wala mang akin. Puros kay Mr. Oh, Mr. is home. I haven't heard you. I did not hear you, Han. So?
Fine.
Is it fine? Everything is fine?
Yeah.
How much is the damage?
£35.
How much?
£35.
35 pounds? Alright.
Yeah, but that's trade price, so that's not.
That's a trade price.
The proper price should be £54, I think it is.
Alright, I see. Right. Thank you, Han.
Right, we'll make some coffee and we'll tax it. Just tax it. It's done now. I don't think I'm going to put it now and now, because if we're going to get rid of it, there's no point, is there, really? In there and there, I suppose.
Yeah.
Do you want coffee?
Yes, please.
What's that?
I still got this, a rosary. When we went to that Baclaran Church. Yeah, Baclaran Church.
Who went there with? Who did you go there with?
My cousin.
When was this?
Oh, when was that? 2006? No, 2015. 2015 when I went to Manila to process the papers. 2015 when I processed the papers for the visa.
What specialty you went into that?
What we're having? I don't know. I really don't know, sir. Where are we going, Han?
We're on a secret mission.
Secret mission. Okay, so we're going to Tesco and Aldi. We're not going to Aldi?
Going to Aldi and Tesco.
Okay then. It's been a while actually. We've never been to Aldi, so yeah. We're going there today. And it's not weekend. This past few weeks lang we did, or we're going shopping weekdays kasi pag weekend kasi John is so busy and sometimes I'm working as well. So yeah, pinifit in na lang namin kung kailan kami mag-grocery.
Grocery?
Grocery?
Grocery? Oh no.
Someone is cutting the hedge. There you go.
Talk about cost and lose money.
How much did you pay?
£7.80 that, and I've only done it proof of posting. I've not done it signed for.
Alright, I see. Because it's first class, you see. So, nandito kami sa... Oh, I put a hand cream because my hand is so dry. Sorry.
Stinks.
Sorry. Yeah, it's a scented one. So, nandito kami sa post office.
Never thinks about husband.
Why is so expensive, sweet?
Weight?
It's probably because the weight, yeah. Aldi.
I know that's that. I don't know where I'm going. Basket's unique.
Basket is here now. Oh, they changed it. Yes, we need coffee, sir.
One more. that's awesome. That's two. $3.19. Check Tesco for Right,
This is the Aldi. Namimili siya ng steak. Sobrang juicy ni Mr. Christmas pudding. John's favorite.
We are opening till number 3 for you.
What is that? Christmas pudding?
Store assistant required at till 3.
Yeah, for one.
That fruit. Can't wait for that fruit cake.
Is it? Oh, it's heavy.
Yeah. Fiver.
We need some prawns.
They're all cooked, then, aren't they?
This one, oh, get this one. Yeah. The big one.
Then?
God, that's massive, yeah.
It's like a jumbo king prawn.
Why not?
You want 2 of them?
2 of these, please. Yeah.
5 will do, isn't it? Can't go Tesco, no?
We can't go to Tesco.
Money's gone.
Money is gone.
Prawns.
Meron silang PTC here. Their toilet must not be working. Yan. Do you need to pee?
Secret.
Secret.
Too cold in there.
Yeah, it's cold.
I want heated toilet.
A heated toilet.
Oh yeah. Where's our mate? Is he here today? No.
No, he's not here today.
Somebody's got a shop in this. This is the special selection. Unsmoked.
Why not? We're not getting that one. That's more bigger.
People,
What's the difference?
nothing down. It's just it's gonna last longer.
The size?
This, no, we don't have to do that. We buy 2 of these now, don't we? But at least one is kept, because this is good till the 8th of December.
Yeah.
Right? But once you've cooked it, take it out of there. It doesn't last as long. So,
Okay.
So it's not as fresh as it. You know? So that's why I think we should do it.
What is that for? A papaya and lemon. Hun, I will color my hair, please. No.
Do you need any texture pads?
Yeah.
Which flavour would you like?
You know.
You like the little texture one? How many? 2. Okay.
Good husband.
She makes me wear my stuff in my mouth to stop pollution.
Meron na sila mga Christmas jumper. I like this.
We need, don't you?
Ah, the prawns, honey, are not peeled.
What?
They got their shells. The prawns still got their shells. Yeah. But they're very big though. Normally, what we paid in Aldi, we only paid around 20 pounds. This time, it's 32 pounds and 17 pence. Kasi ito kasi, ang pag round off mo, 5 pounds na siya. Na-shock ng kaunti si Mr.
She bought big prawns. Look at them. 2 packs. They've got shells.
Yeah, they got shells.
Oh no, they've got my teeth.
But no. We can make another sinigang, but I will peel it.
I don't like the fish sinigang. End of story. I do not like it.
Okay, then we're not having
I like
sinigang.
pork sinigang.
Or else, I have my sinigang.
Pork sinigang.
And tonight, we will have steak. This is for me, and this is for John.
You have to put my name on it, John.
John, no. What is this, Han?
It's just
Chocolate?
Just a white chocolate.
White chocolate.
Just like a plain biscuit inside. More coffee.
Please. And of course, sa shopping, hindi mawawala ang hot cross buns. My camera is blinking.
Winking at me, darling.
Winking.
That's the wrong way around.
No, it's not. This is not wrong way around.
Wrong way around.
I am left-handed. John is right-handed.
Yeah.
And look.
So that's the correct way. You see. So when I come to the thing with the cups in hand, I put the milk in. Because if I have to, that's the wrong way around. I need to put the cups down because I can't get it, and then I'd have to walk over there and just waste mileage. When I
Well, it just...
I go like this. You go. And that's it.
Honey, but I'm left-handed, you see, so what's my right? The right place is your wrong place. I'm sorry, I did not do it deliberately. No, I don't do it deliberately. It's just my initial, you know, reaction.
Come on. We have to go walkies. You ready for walkies? Come on then. Oh, I haven't got my whistle. I need my whistle, don't I? Need my whistle. Just in case. Come on, let's go. They're all excited. Come on, let's go. Go, go. Come on. Go. No, leave the stones, Pip. You don't need rocks. No. You don't need rock in your mouth, Pip, do you? Come on. Come on. Anyway, I've been instructed that I've got to bring the camera with me while taking the dogs round the field. So here we are. It's getting late, well it's getting a bit dark very shortly now, so I'm saying that it's on the camera, it's quite good. It's my new waterproof Browning hat. It's very American style, this one, but very comfortable and warm. So anyway, here we are, uphill all the way, we're nearly at the top. That's it. Never looks like a hill on camera, does it? I can assure you it is. As you can see, look down now, we've climbed up. Where's them two gone? Where are they? There they are. See? Yeah. But it rained last night. Ooh. Oh dear, we've got a blockage here, look. Massive blockage. Let's get this bit and that should release it now. Yes, we've got it. The trouble this time of year, leaves. It's better. It's going now, look. As you can see. Possibly. Yeah. Oh, the ground's saturated here because it's gone up at top. Flipping leaves. I need to get machine in and get this ditch redone, silted up. That's it. Oh look, more here. Well, there must have been a lot of rain come down. Washed a lot of leaves down. That's better. Wonder why we had so much water this morning down the thing. We'll have to get the digger out and get cleaning down here. That's it. What's up, Scooby-Doos? But we have quite a lot of pheasants around here. They're obviously going up to roost now. But they've been around here a lot of days, the pheasants. So they can smell now, it's pheasants. Gets me excited. So, yeah, ooh. There we go. Nearly at the top of the hill now. And then this is it, this is the view. Good view, see? Yeah, there we go. That's it, you can see the sun's going down now. Right, Scooby-Doos. Look at them. Pheasants, 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 that's all they're looking for. Yeah, they love it. Anyway. So, soon be Christmas, won't it now? So I suppose I need to wish you all a happy Christmas very soon. But for me it's too early. I think Christmas begins in December. But I know to many people, especially Filipinos, it's already started. But to me, it drags it on too long and you become too much accustomed to it. I'd rather it just sort of turn the light switch, it's Christmas time and we start to celebrate everything and enjoy. And you know, short, sweet, you know, but a lot of fun. Anyway, that's my opinion. I know everybody thinks differently, but that's just the way I am, me. Because when we were young, when I was a young child, I would just, you know, there was a build up to Christmas, but it always seemed to be slightly later than what it is today, you know. But I think it's probably a lot to do with parents as well, the way we were brought up, and just made it more exciting all at once. So yeah, there we go. Right, I'm going to switch off because my arm's aching. Sorry darling, but you know I love you. Oh. Right, bears, you going to say bye bye, Pippi? Pippi, come here. You got to wave goodbye. Yep, yep, okay. Wave goodbye, okay. There's Phoebe. Phoebe's too busy sniffing for pheasant. Right, and that's it.